Hey guys, Mike here. How's it going? Listen, today I want to talk about something real important, and I can't believe that people are doing it, and it's just ridiculous. Don't overcharge your laptop and kill your battery. What people are doing and not realizing is when you have a problem with your battery, okay, in your laptop and it's not charging, and you put in your power cord in your laptop and you're using the laptop, you're killing the battery's already dead, but you're damaging the internals of the battery. And what's going to happen in time is your battery is going to puff up. And if you see the keyboard of your laptop raising a little bit, that's dangerous, because I've seen it where the laptop battery's so bad and so damaged that it raises the keyboard and eventually it can just blow up in your face. I mean, I'm not kidding. I had a technician friend that took a battery out of a MacBook and it was so blown up, and when he disconnected it, it just blew up. Thank God he didn't get hurt. But this is real important. If your laptop isn't charging and your battery is bad, don't keep plugging in the cord, okay? Take it somewhere and have them replace the battery, because eventually the battery is going to get so puffed up, it's going to be dangerous. And you don't want to have that happen where your keyboard raises up. And even if your keyboard doesn't raise up, if your battery's bad and it's built into the laptop, not on the back, I'm not talking about the one on the back. That one, if it's bad, you can just take it off and get another one. The one inside the laptop, okay, that's the one that I'm talking about. So if your battery's bad, please take it to a shop, get it checked out, get it replaced if it's not charging, because keeping the plug in there while you're using your laptop is further damaging the battery, and it can get dangerous after a while. I hope you guys that have this issue listen to what I'm saying, and right away, like tomorrow, go to a computer shop and have them open it up and check your battery, because you already know it's not charging. So if it's puffed up, you need to take it out and you need to put a new one in there, and that way it'll continually charge your laptop. So if it's not charging, it's not doing you any good. It's doing you a lot of harm by using your laptop with it plugged in with a bad battery. So please take this video to heart and do something about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mike's Computer. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, and comment on the video. And I hope this helps the people that need the help. Thanks for watching again.